Hi everyone, this is Terence Tan, the I'm Possible Investor. Now, so we have all known what market has done for the last 1 week. So market has hit the bottom about a week ago over here and did a strong bounce. So many are now thinking, hey, should I load the truck because I don't want to miss the next V bottom returns or V bottom bounce in the markets over here. Now, but you must understand one thing. The bull run that we used to have over here has suffered what we call a structural damage. Now, a structural damage means it has gone from a bullish trend for a very long time into what we call a bearish trend right now. So what's going to happen is you're seeing right now a formation of a series of lower lows in the markets. So when you see a formation of lower lows in the market, it hits on the confidence of investors. So the big investors aren't going to be as aggressive in terms of buying stocks, even the best ones in this moment right now. So what you need to do is you need to exercise caution and a little bit of logic in terms of how you're investing in the markets. Because I heard of friends over here who tells me at this moment, hey, just last week alone, I have my friend over here load up the truck on their investment portfolios. Even this week, there are people talking about how much shares have I bought during the last few days. So I'm positioned over here for the next move up. You must understand this is a very risky process to be playing over here. Why? Because markets are coming down right now. So you don't want to be playing with the markets because we may actually start to see the next sell-off take occurrence in the markets in the next coming days or over the next 1 or 2 weeks over here. Now, so as the markets come off, you will actually be presented with much better investment opportunities, which I have been telling some of my investors in my community about. Now, in the last sell-off over here, we had great companies, for example, like Prudential Financial listed in the US. All right, it's fallen from $95 all the way to a low price of about $37. And on top of that, if you buy Prudential at about $37, $38 over here, you are immediately starting off with a 10% dividend return on such a great company. Yes, many people are fearful of what's going to happen with insurance companies or financial related companies. All right, one thing is you check on their books, and if they're adequately cashed up over here with very little debts, and you can see business continuity in terms of how they run their businesses, then this is what many people say where the big money is made. Big money is made in the bear trends and bear markets over here, but you need to know and scrutinize exactly what you're buying and when does it really make sense to a common logical sense over here, right, for you to enter into that stock itself. Yeah, right. Another company I told my students about was actually this other company called MGM over here. Right, MGM was in the casinos and resorts industry over here, and of course with the China shutdown and now the shutdown happening in the US, the whole gaming industry or hotel industry seems to be taking one big hit over here. So again, many of them which have taken a lot of debt are going to suffer a lot during this period over here. But MGM is a company where management has been very shrewd in terms of how they manage their money and their finances. So it's actually very well adequately loaded up. And now with China recovering over here and things slowly resuming back to normal, right? We can actually see when the Macau's branches over here might start to open up, right? And when casinos open up, you all know what's going to happen with gamers over here with a habit that's hard to kick. Right, they're going to start slowly streaming back into their favorite hunting grounds over here, and that is actually going to start bringing these resorts management a little bit of money back into their businesses over here. Things are going to start rolling again. It's not going to be the smoothest or the quickest one, but all these point towards stability, all right, and the lack of instability, all right, will actually keep prices strong over here and actually start pushing it up as well. Right now, if you're going to go into the markets, I would be more favored towards taking short positions rather than too much of new long positions right now. Yeah, all right. But having said that, I'm actually waiting for the markets to come off over here, right, so I can load the next series, to benefit from the next swing up in the markets, because we all know markets doesn't come down in a straight line and it doesn't go up in a straight line. You just need to know when to look for the gems in the market. Yeah, all right, and position your portfolio in the safest manner to go about making this money. All right, now I hope this update has benefited you on the start of the week over here. Beware what's going to come about in the rest of the weeks. We have seen the market started strongly yesterday, only to fade out towards the end of the day. You may actually start to see some profit taking happening from the the bull run last week again. So trade safely, be wise over here, and I'll see all of you in my next market update. Thank you.